Lenovo K8 Note. Killer Note with dual rear camera. Snapdragon 660 available in India at 13,999 rupees for 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, 12,999 rupees for 3GB and 32GB RAM. Now it's turn for Lenovo K9 Note. According to reliable sources, Lenovo K9 Note expected to cost you approximate 16,000 rupees for 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, approximate 13,000 rupees for 3GB and 32GB ROM RAM variant. Possibly launch in first quarter of 2018 will be a big threat to Xaiomi Redmi Note 6 and Moto G6 Plus. Exceptions are high that upcoming Lenovo K9 Note will be powered by Snapdragon 660, Octa Core Processor. It will run on Google's latest Android 8.0 Oreo with 3GB/4GB RAM, 64GB ROM which expandable up to 128GB via MicroSD card slot. This budget phone will support dual SIM, LTE and LTE, micro SIM, and nano SIM. Comes with a bigger 5.9-inch Full HD IPS Bezel-less display with resolution 1080x1920 pixels, ratio 18:9. K9 Note will be a metal-clad smartphone. Will sport a dual rear camera 16MP plus 8MP primary rear camera with LED flash and 12MP plus 5MP secondary front-facing camera. Will be powered by a 4000 mAh battery with quick charge. It will also include fingerprint scanner, 4G LTE, 3G, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth GPS, and USB Type-C. At last I would like to say that Lenovo K9 Note coming to rule the budget phone market. What do you think? Comment your thoughts below. And subscribe for more videos.